Did you know having just one plant on your desk can boost your mood, reduce stress, and even help you focus better? Yep, you don't need a huge space to get all those benefits. Today, I'm sharing 10 amazing desk plants that are tiny, low maintenance, and perfect for even the smallest workspaces. Whether you're in an office, a dorm, or working from a corner of your kitchen, these plants will fit right in. Let's jump in. 1. Air plants. No soil, no mess, no problem. Air plants are little green wonders that grow without dirt. You can pop them in a seashell, teacup, or even a hanging glass orb. Just mist them 2 to 3 times a week or soak them in water for 20 minutes once a week. They look cool and futuristic coworkers will definitely ask about them. 2. ZZ plant. I call this the set it and forget it plant. It thrives on neglect, seriously. Low light, no problem. Forgot to water for 2 weeks? It'll still look amazing. It grows slowly so it won't outgrow your desk. And those shiny dark green leaves? Super stylish. 3. Snake plant. This one's like the ZZ plant's cool cousin. Get the dwarf version. It stays short and compact. Snake plants help clean the air and only need water every couple of weeks. Put it in a cute pot and it becomes instant desk decor. 4. Succulents. Tiny, adorable, and trendy. Succulents come in all shapes. Some look like roses, some like jelly beans. They love bright light, so if your desk gets sun, they'll be happy. Water them only when the soil is bone dry, easy. 5. Pothos. Pothos is the easiest trailing plant ever. Snip off a vine, pop it in a glass of water, and boom, new plant. It'll grow slowly in water or a small pot. Bright green leaves equals instant freshness on your desk. 6. Baby rubber plant. Thick, glossy leaves that feel rubbery, hence the name. This cutie stays small and loves indoor light. It doesn't need frequent watering and it's safe for pets too. A great option if you want something unique but easy. 7. Lucky bamboo. Not a real bamboo. Fun fact. But it grows beautifully in just water and a glass vase. It's believed to bring good luck and positive vibes. Great for minimalist desks or anyone into feng shui. 8. Fittonia. This plant has leaves with pretty white or pink veins. It's small, grows slowly, and loves humidity. Just don't let it dry out completely. Keep the soil moist. It's a good excuse to step away from the keyboard and check in on your leafy coworker. 9. Haworthia. Kind of like a mini aloe vera, but even cuter. It grows in a rosette shape and fits perfectly in tiny pots. Hardy, low-light friendly, and hardly needs water. Perfect for shelves, small corners, or next to your mouse pad. 10. Mini cactus. A cactus may not smile back, but it'll stick with you. It needs almost no care, loves sunlight, and can go weeks without water. Get a tiny one in a colorful pot. It adds personality to your space. Just poke it during meetings. Extra tips. Tiny planters equals big vibes. You don't need fancy pots. Try mugs, candle jars, or even old teacups. It adds a personal touch and saves money. Water reminder. Set a phone reminder or use a sticky note. Most desk plants don't need frequent watering. Once every 1 to 2 weeks is enough. Pro hack. Use your plant as a visual break. Look at it every hour instead of your screen. It relaxes your eyes and your mind. So, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments, or tell me if you already have a plant buddy on your desk. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with a fellow plant lover. New videos every week to keep your space green and stress-free. Thanks for watching, and happy desk gardening!